everybody, my name is Rhea and today we are gonna do our Real Littles, and this is the second day that we're gonna review the Real Littles because we didn't really do the new ones because I were like really wanted to open it now. The Real Littles that are new because I wanted to make the new littles as for no other package. So because I have a hard time by doing it by opening, because it's really hard to open it up when you're like that. So we're gonna get started. Yay! So here we have this called Slushy Puppy, and then this is what it looks like. Okay, like that. And then what I want to do is just open it up like this, and then I just take it out, and there. Let me just put it straight up. Hold it. Here is a little creature. It is so cute. And then on to the next one, named Briar's Chocolate Mint Ice Cream. It's like with like vanillas, and then there's like I think a gold spoon. And then now it's gone. It was just on the table earlier. Now here is the little creature. It is so cute. It's a little dark taste, and it has like a little weave on it. Now just pull it. Oh my god. Sorry. And then I'm gonna say bye. And it's popping off. That, and then you just close it up. Now here, called Gigantic Nougateur, I think. And then it's like an ice cream sandwich with filled 3 colored flavors. So here's what it did. And then here's on the back. It has these cute colors, pink, white, and brown. Now let's put it back in it. Ding. Bye-bye. Just already popped off. It's also hard when you like have this one, and then there's like a cover. It's just a cover here down below. So sometimes it's hard because you can't maybe like remember where does the like position go. Sometimes it gets mixed up. Now on to the blue Slushy Puppy, and it is my favorite color of this, but also maybe I'm gonna collect more of the Slushy Puppies. So it depends. And then so here we have the container. Here's the like cover included with the little Slushy Puppy. And then I just say bye-bye. And then I just put the cover in it. Now, we're gonna start next with this. It's Shopkins, and it's spicy brown, and it's mustard. With also, like, it looks like poop, but it's like a cream of mustard. It really looks like that. Here it looks like. And then we're just gonna put it back in our container. And then we're gonna put it just like this. Oh my god, sorry. Now you already have the mustard container. It looks like chocolate syrup. And then onto this one, Marie's Calendar Peanut Butter Cream Pie Shopkins. Actually, this is really the Shopkins Little Secrets. Okay, and here we have it, the little one, and there's like bits on it with like I think 3 layers and 1 layer on the pointy side. Now we're gonna say bye-bye to the like Reese Calendar peanut butter cream pie. Now on to this Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream. And then here's the natural artifacts. And then here is the like Shopkins sign. Here, I think you can see with the ice creams. Now, and here is also the same thing Breyers with the popped up container. Let me just first show you. And here is the ice cream. It looks so good. Imagine if you would like to eat it. Well, I also have ice cream that's vanilla, but it's not Breyers. It's just plain vanilla in the freezer, in our freezer. And then here we have this one called Condé Crunch. And then it's something, well, that says now with more crunch. Here's the brand. It just looks so cute. And it has like a green lid. And then here's the container and the other container. And here we have the little creature. It looks so cute. Let me show you the camera again. And then we're gonna pop it out. And then put it back in the container. Just like that. Now you already have like a box. And this one is called Condé Mint. A quick bite that's just right. The Organo Shopkins New. It looks so cute. Oh no, there's like a little family. It's so crazy. And then here we have this called tacos and sandwich and bars. Oh my. And then we're just gonna open it up, pop off. And then here it is. It's like a stack. And then somebody like took a bite. If you know what it is, who took a bite, you'll have to think. And then here we have the adorable creature stacked in, I think, 4 layers. 4 layers of cake. Then we're just gonna put it back. And then we're gonna close it up just like this. And then here we are gonna move on to this one called Fruit Pop Strawberry. Made with real strawberries, new popsicle. Shopkins. 12 packs. Made with, new. Now we're gonna open it up. And then here we have the adorable, like, ice cream. It's like saying, cause it's about to melt. And then I know you can see like bendable something, and then it's like pretending that it's about to melt, like a sharp. It's not really sharp. It's just a bit clear plastic, and then it's like, like a squishy end. And then we're gonna move it up, and there. And then I'm gonna cover just like that. And chocolate. And then here we have this called Good Harmer King Cone Vanilla Shopkins. Okay, let's pop that off. Here's the cover, and here's the container. Oh no, I think this ball. Here I have the King Cone, same thing with the popsicle fruit pop strawberry. It also has like an ending, but it's like a triangle particle. And then we just say bye-bye. And then we put, wait, I'm gonna make it lie down so probably more easier. And then we're just gonna close it up. And then there. Now on to the next one, called Kondai Original Makes Works Cool. Wait, Cool 2029, I think. And then here's the like cover. It's like same as they look like they look like. And here is the Kondai. So cute, and on the end it looks like a cheese side. So cute. I want to keep this forever. Here we have another one that's kind of a new brand, and it's like a taco. It's called Kondai Choco Hot Choco Taco Shopkins. Here it is. It's so cute. Here, there's a taco behind the name. And here it is. It's also the same thing like the other Kondai. It's like cheese filling. Here's the little guy with like nuts and chocolate syrup. And here is this called Morning Star Farms Veggie Burgers Spicy Black Bean. Now, Shopkins. Now here we have the adorable burger. You can see the face, it's underneath it with the bun, the like patty, the lettuce, and another bun. We're just gonna put it back, and then we're gonna put back the cover and there. Now on to the next one. Let's see, what's the next one? I think it's, oh, this one. We didn't do this one yet. Okay, now. Here is called the Marie's Calendar Chocolate Sammy Pie Shopkins. It already just popped off, and here is the pie. It is so cute. Okay. Okay, hi everybody. This is all of my real little secrets, and please like and subscribe and look at my page and just type my name like called Ria's Toys and Games, and then you're gonna see all of my videos that I posted on YouTube. You have to not go to the search, you have to go to YouTube. If you have YouTube, you can watch that. All of my videos. If you can watch all of the videos, then you can maybe like or not like, so that's okay. Okay, anyway, everybody, bye!